at the NCBA KMI Motor Show Kenya 2023. And we feel that this is a milestone for the automotive industry in Kenya, showing that industry started to rejuvenate after COVID and other disturbances that the market had. So it is extremely important, not only for Inchcape and BMW, but I think all automotive players in the market. I think invigorate the interest of the public to new cars, and I think all of us who is here are interested to promote new cars, so it provides warranty and localized packages to customers so they can be really happy about their purchases. We feel it's a very extremely important event. I think at our stand they will encounter to the really latest technology both on Motorrad and automotive, because BMW I think is famous for if you are really technical savvy and you like performance and performing cars, I mean you should be coming to our stand.
Please introduce yourself. And then we can move from there.
Yeah. Okay, hi, I'm Julia Vershinska. I'm Managing Director for Inchcape Kenya, an official importer, distributor and service provider for BMW and Jaguar Land Rover brands in Kenya. One of the things that we values that we have in Inchcape is the fresh thinking. And we think that the new X7 everything is about fresh thinking. It's really reimagining the premium SUV in terms of performance, luxury, comfort, technology, edge, and many other things. So in this respect, it's very much aligned with our values. So in terms of the service, all our customers can be ensured that we have and provide an official service in terms of the 5-year both repair and service plans. That includes many things, and so we give our customers really peace of mind when they drive their vehicle. And there are also many tailor-made solutions that we have in terms of the after-service that we can provide to our customers. So all genuine parts, always. There is a highly trained, OEM-trained technicians that we have in our service centers in Nairobi and Mombasa. So really you can just enjoy your vehicle and don't really bother about the servicing. So one of the special features that we can provide is a full customization. So you can order the vehicle that really performs and has features that you love and they answer your personal needs. And it's actually endless. The BMW Atelier in Munich can provide you with any features you like even if you are, I don't know, cigar lover, we can build in a humidor inside, yeah? Apart from the other technical solutions. So also, if you want to build a car, you can make an advance payment and then it's interest-free for 6 months. You can pay installments, yeah, without any interest rate, and then you have your car and enjoy it. So it's quite a unique feature that Inchcape offers to its customers. Well, I mean, you can just start talking about BMW quality. Yeah, it's the brand that started in 1916. Yeah, and as the airplane engine. So you can imagine for the airplanes, you need a high preciseness. The quality should be immaculate, otherwise there will be. So I think BMW or BMW, yeah, how they say it in Germany, kept all the way through, yeah, in terms of the quality commitment and technology. And I think this, in terms of, it really relates to Inchcape. So also in terms of the availabilities, as I said, apart from the custom-made, this model is available in ICE, but also mild hybrids. And soon, I think we will be offering these options to our customers that are more environment conscious, as Inchcape is worldwide. So I think it's an interesting option that our customers can look at.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm Henry Nyaga from BMW. I'm the Senior Sales Executive in BMW. This is the second generation X7. The first one started in 2019. But now with the new one thing you could notice is that the face is completely different. Now, before that we had laser lights, but now we have the new matrix LED headlights, which have anti-glare, and then they also auto-dim. And then what you can see, the prominent feature on the front, is the split headlights. So the upper lights is for the hazards and daytime running lights, and then the lower lights are the main lights. And then also one technology you'll find in the new X7 is the mild hybrid technology, whereby the car now gives you up to 381 horsepower, up from 340. And then also it's operating on the BMW system, number 8. So you'll see that the screen, the system 8, BMW iDrive, so that you'll see the screen now is a bit wider. It's actually 14.9 inches bigger, while the previous one was 12.3. Yeah, you know, BMW is a car that has a lot of technology. Now, like in the car, there is an iDrive. You can use it to control the system on the screens. You can use touch, you can use language, and you can use gestures. So,
Pick up from, you can use touch, you can use your hands,
Yeah.
hand gestures. Yeah.
yes. So,
Okay,
no worry.
let's go again.
So, on this vehicle, one of the technologies that is there is that you can use touch, you can use the fob, the iDrive, you can use the steering, and you can use gesture, and also you can use, I have said gesture, sorry. So on gesture control is that in case you're driving, and then your phone comes in, the screen shows you, and all you have to do is point at the screen to pick the phone, or just wish it away to disconnect the phone. So some of the nice fancy features we have. And also it's a proper 7-seater, and when you're not using the 7-seater, you still have a very spacious legroom on the car. Yeah. So it's one of the cars with the best legroom in the market. And then the technology in the car is marvelous. So we tell everyone to come and see the vehicle at our showroom and also at the motor show.